How to add big follow button on Instagram. For this, you have to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom. From there, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. Go to Settings and Privacy. From all of the options, you have to scroll down until you see the option of Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Then tap on Continue to all of this. Now select a category to be described. Then tap on OK. Select Creator or Business, then tap on Next, then tap on Not Now. You can set up your professional account later. Once you do this, you will get a big follow button for your profile. You can also go to your settings and privacy. And if you want a personal account, you can just go ahead and tap on Account Privacy. From there, you have to toggle on Private Account. Once you do this step, you will be getting a big follow button without actually switching to your professional account. Isn't it simple? Either way, if you face any problem regarding the switch, press and hold the Instagram app and go to App Info. Force stop it, then tap on Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next step, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for your Instagram application right here. If there is an update bubble, you simply have to leave it for an update. If not, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.